homogeneous linear differential equation summa means that the differential equation is in the form of f of d into y equal to 0. Now in this class we are going for solutions of non-homogeneous solutions of non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So means that the given differential equation is in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. F of d into y means in general form we can write as a naught d power n y by dx power n, a1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus a2 d power n minus 2 y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on an minus 2 d square y by dx square plus an minus 1 dy by dx plus an y equal to q of x okay. So means that this is in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. Okay. The general solution of this equation is the general solution of this kind of equation is y equal to cf plus pi and cf plus pi. Okay. So complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function okay. This is called particular integral. The solution of f of d into y equal to a q of x. Okay. The solution is complementary function plus particular integral అవుతుందమ్మా. Okay. So the complementary function, how to find that is finding of complementary function. So complementary function ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలంటే చూడండి. So in case of what we did in previous class, so the solution of f of d into y equal to 0. So when we consider only homogeneous part, okay, only homogeneous part, okay. So the solution of homogeneous part is called as the solution of this is called as complementary function. Okay. So the solution of this is called as okay. Solution is called as complementary function. Okay. So the solution of homogeneous part, you know it, we can write using of roots of auxiliary equation, right? The roots of auxiliary equation. Okay. So based on that, we will write based on that. Now we'll go for particular integral. So particular integral means so homogeneous part, the solution is complementary function. So that's what we did in previous class. Okay. So the roots of auxiliary equation, based on that we'll write complementary function. Okay. Now coming to the particular integral. So for the given differential equation, we'll consider of all homogeneous as well as non-homogeneous part. So means f of d into y equal to q of x. Okay, f of d into y equal to q of x. Okay. So the particular integral of this part will be 1 by f of d into q of x. 1 by f of d into q of x. Okay. So based on this q of x, we will write the complementary function. Okay. So for different kind of functions of q of x, okay, we'll write particular integral. See, in method 1, if q of x is e power ax, q of x is e power ax, okay, then the particular integral is 1 by f of d into Q of x is that 1 by f of d into e power ax. Okay. So in case of e power ax, replace d by a. Replace d by a. Okay. Okay, that will give us 1 by f of a e power ax. That's called as particular integral. So that's called as, in case of e power ax, it's very simple. Okay, replace d by a. So how it comes, don't worry. Okay, that having some procedure. So don't worry about that. Okay. Yeah. So write down example for this. Write down example for this. Yeah. Solve d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to e power 4x. Okay. Solve. So the solution of this, which is in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x, right? F of d into y equal to q of x. Okay. Right. So, so the solution of this is y equal to cf plus pi, right? Y equal to cf plus pi. Okay. So finding cf. So for finding cf, we know that we need to consider homogeneous part. Homogeneous part d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to 0. So the roots of homogeneous part will go by roots of auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is, you know it, f of m equal to 0. F of m equal to 0. What is f of m? M square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. This will be written as okay. So what is C of anyone?
C1 e power 2x plus C2 e power 3x, sir.
Yeah, very good. That is CF. Now we go for PI. One by f of d into q of x. 1 by f of d into manaku q of x into manaku e power 4x. In case of e power ax ఏం చేయాలి? d by a. Replace d by a. So what is this value? So the required solution is CF plus PI, replace that. Okay. అయిపోయింది రాసుకున్నారా? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. Anyone? What is PI? So the solution is CF plus PI. CF is same as previous. Finding PI. So what is PI? చూడమ్మా. So చూడండి note and రాసుకోండి. So PI, what we have? PI 1 by f of d into e power ax, right? So here you have to replace d by a. Okay, then if f of a non-zero, f of a is non-zero, then this will be 1 by f of a into e power ax. That will be PI. Okay. If f of a is 0, if f of a will be 0, suppose here it will be 0, then you have to go by f dash of d. 1 by f of d can be replaced by f dash of d into replace e power ax as x into e power ax. X into e power ax. Okay. F of d replaced by f dash of d, replace e power ax as x into e power ax. Okay. So again put d equal to a. So this will be 1 by f dash of a x into e power ax. Okay. If f dash of a non-zero. If f dash of a non-zero. Okay. Again, if f dash of a is also 0, if f dash of a is also 0, okay, if again f dash of a is also 0, then PI is again second time we can differentiate f of d, second time we can differentiate f of d and replace x e power ax as x square e power ax. So again put d equal to a. So 1 by f double dash of a x square e power ax. If f double dash of a non-zero. Okay. If again 0, okay. So if again 0, what happens? Anyone?
Third derivative.
Yeah. You have to go by third derivative of denominator and replace by x cube e power x. Okay. So going on in this manner. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో non-zero వచ్చేంత వరకు వెళ్ళాలండి, non-zero వచ్చేంత వరకు వెళ్ళాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద నోట్ అని చెప్పి రాసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? So now I have to put d equal to 2 here. D equal to. So what happens here? 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. This will be 0. This will be 0, right? So I have to go by the formula based. So this 1 by f dash of d, what? Derivative of this, d square minus 5d, derivative into 2d minus 5, x e power 2x. Replace e power 2x as x e power 2x. So again put d equal to 2. Again put d equal to 2. Okay, d equal to replace చేయండి.
X e power 2x.
2 into 2 minus 5 x e power 2x minus x e power 2x. Okay na? Is it clear? Anyone? So therefore required solution is y equal to cf plus pi. cf అంటే రీప్లేస్ చేయండి, pi అంటే ఓకేనా? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. రాసుకున్నారా? Solve d cube minus 7d plus 6 into y equal to e power 2x. The solution is y equal to cf plus pi, right? So finding cf. Finding cf. Okay. For cf, we need to consider homogeneous part. That nothing but d cube minus 7d plus 6. So what is the one of the root here? Anyone? One of the root.
Sir.
చెప్పండి.
1 sir.
1 is a root, right? Because of sum of all quotients will be 0. By synthetic division, 1 0 minus 7 6 0 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 1 minus 6 minus m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. So what are the roots of this?
2.
Hmm.
2 sir.
Correct enough. So therefore CF is now we are going for finding Pi. What is Pi now? Put D equal to 2. Obviously it will be 0, right? ఎందుకంటే 2 is the root of auxiliary equation. For that, what we have to do, replace D cube as f dash of D. Replace x into e power 2x. Again put D equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. రాసుకున్నారా అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళ the solution is y equal to CF plus PI. CF plus PI రాయండి. అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు CF plus PI the solution. సో అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళమ్మా D square అమ్మా not D cube, it is D square. D cube రాసిన no problem. D cube రాసిన no problem. రాస్తారని రాయండి. So what are the roots of auxiliary equation? Anyone?
1, sir. 2, 1.
Okay, fine. So we'll consider homogeneous part. D square minus 3D plus 2 into y equal to 0. Then auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. M square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. M equal to 1 comma 2, right? Therefore CF equal to C1 e power x, C2 e power 2x. You can write t also అమ్మా ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటో తెలియనప్పుడు ఎలా రాయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ x ఉంది కాబట్టి x లో రాయాలి. ఓకే ఫైన్. x ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఇస్ x. ఓకే ఫైన్. సపోజ్ కాస్ ht ఉంటే కాస్ రాయాలి, t లో రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? Now coming to finding pi. Pi is what? 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos hx. ఎలా చేయాలమ్మా anyone?
x1 e power x plus e power minus by 2 చేసుకొని చేయాలి సార్.
Very good. Cos hx has e power x plus e power minus x by 2. అదే sin hx ఉంటే
e power x minus e power minus x by 2.
అదే సైన్ ఉంటే ఈ ఫామ్ లో వాడాలి. ఓకేనా? సో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే so this will be 1 by 2 taken outside. So this is my pi. I call this as pi1. I call this as pi2. So pi1, coming to pi1, here put d equal to 1. 1 పెడితే 0 అవుతుందా? So I have to differentiate this. Replace x e power x. Again put d equal to 1. 2 minus 3 x e power x minus x e power x. Now coming to pi2. Coming to pi2. Put d equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. So therefore, pi equal to 1 by 2 minus x e power x plus 1 by 2 1 by 6 e power minus x. Okay na? Okay na? Replace చేయండి. Therefore the solution is y equal to cf plus pi. Okay na?
हेलो हाँ बोलो मालिक कितनी आवाज इतनी हो रहा है
So these are homework problems. You try it. Okay. D cube minus 4d square into y equal to 5. D square minus 3d plus 1 into y equal to 1 minus e power minus x whole square. Okay, na? You try it. These are all homework problems. So please do solve somebody and post in a group. Now we go for method 2. Method 2, if q of x is in the form of sin ax or cos ax. Q of x is in the form of sin ax or cos ax. Okay, then pi is 1 by f of d into sin ax or cos ax. So ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇక్కడ put d square equal to minus a square. D square plus ఏం చేయాలి minus a square ని replace చేయాలి. D square is minus a square. Okay, and you keep in mind that this is only for sin ax or cos ax, not for tan, secant, cosecant and all. Okay, not for secant, cosecant, tan, cot and all. Only for sin ax and cos ax. Okay, only for sin ax and cos ax. Okay, yeah. So write down example for this. Solve d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y equal to sin 2x. What are the roots of auxiliary equation? Anyone?
Sir.
Very good. So which is also formed in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. The solution is y equal to cf plus pi, right? So finding cf, for that we need to consider homogeneous part. So d square minus d minus 2 into y equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0, m square minus m minus 2 equal to 0, m square minus 2m plus m minus 2 equal to 0. This is m into m minus 2 plus 1 into m minus 2. M plus 1 into m minus 2. M equal to minus 1 comma 2. So therefore what CF now?
C1 e power minus x plus C2 e power 2x.
Yeah, fine. Now coming to PI. One by d square minus d minus 2 sin 2x. Sin 2x, right? Sin 2x అంటే ఏంటి? Put d square equal to minus a square అంటే a square అంటే ఇక్కడ minus 4. So keep in mind that this is not minus a whole square. It's not, this is minus a square. Okay, minus a square. Okay, you keep in mind that minus a square, minus into a square. Okay, minus 2 square is minus. And you keep in mind that we'll replace only in d square, not d, not in d. D square place lo matrame replace cheyali, not in d. We don't bother of d. Okay, so this is what 1 by minus 6 minus d sin 2x. సో ఇప్పుడు d గురించి బాదర్ చేయాలి. సో d కూడా ఉంది ఇంకా, అందుకే చూడండి మైనస్ కామన్ చేస్తే 6 ప్లస్ d అవుతుంది, అవునా? 6 ప్లస్ d అవుతుంది, అవునా? సో దీన్ని డి స్క్వేర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం కోసం నేనేం చేస్తానంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేస్తాను. డి స్క్వేర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం కోసం రేషనలైజ్ చేశాను. న్యూమరేటర్ అలాగే ఉంది, డినామినేటర్ ఏమో a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So again put d square is minus 4. This is 6 minus d by minus 36 plus 4 sin 2x. Because of minus of minus. Okay. So minus 1 by 40 into 6 minus d into sin 2x. 6 minus d into sin 2x. Okay. So చూడండి 6 into sin 2x is 6 sin 2x. d of sin 2x. d of sin 2x అంటే derivative of sin 2x అని.
minus cos 2x.
Derivative of cos sin is cos 2x into 2, right? Into 2. Okay na? So this is what my pi. This is what my pi. Okay. So d ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? డినామినేటర్ లో d ఉంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి. డినామినేటర్ లో d ఉంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? డినామినేటర్ లో d ఉంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి. న్యూమరేటర్ లో d ఉంటే నథింగ్ బట్ డెరివేటివ్. ఓకేనా? So the solution is y equal to CF plus PI, right? The solution is y equal to CF plus PI. CF ఏమొచ్చిందో రాయండి, PI ఏమొచ్చిందో రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి నోట్. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 అయితే ఏంటి? 0 అయితే ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే సేమ్. 0 అయితే ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఓకే నోట్ అమ్మ PI 1 by f of d into sin ax or cos ax. Okay, if f of minus a square will be 0, not equal to 0, then the pi is 1 by f of minus a square sin ax or cos ax. If f of minus a square, f of minus a square equal to 0, then pi is 1 by f dash of d, replace sin ax by x sin ax. Okay, replace sin ax by x sin ax. Okay, and if f dash of minus a square is non-zero, then pi is 1 by f dash of minus a square. Okay na, x into sin ax, x into sin ax. Okay na, same like above. Okay, so if it is again 0, then we can go for f double dash and replace x square sin ax, x square sin ax. Okay, like and so on. Now the thing is, suppose d square plus a square into y equal to sin ax undi. D square plus a square into y equal to sin ax undi. Okay, now pi is 1 by d square plus a square into sin ax. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి? d square plus లో minus a square పెట్టాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? minus a square plus a square into sin ax. This will be 0, right? This will be 0. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి, అవునా? డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ d square is 2d, derivative of a square is 0. Derivative of a square is 0. Okay, replace sin ax by x sin ax. అవునా? Replace sin ax by x sin ax. So this is x by 2 ని బయట రాస్తేనమ్మా, x by 2 ని బయట రాస్తే 1 by d of sin ax. 1 by d of sin ax అంటే d of sin ax అంటే cos ax. 1 by d of sin ax అంటే what is 1 by d? 1 by d nothing but reciprocal of derivative, that nothing but integration. Integral. Okay. Integral of sin ax ante minus cos ax by a. Avuna? Avuna? So this is minus x cos ax by 2a. Okay, this is d square plus a square into y equal to sin ax. అదే d square plus a square into y equal to cos ax. అప్పుడేమవుతుంది? అప్పుడేమవుతుంది? pi, anyone?
Sin ax by 2a.
ఏమవుతుంది?
Sin ax, x sin ax by 2a.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో d square plus minus a square పెడితే f of minus a square is 0. So I have to replace derivative of this and replace x cos ax by x cos ax. So x by 2 ని బయట రాస్తే 1 by d of cos is integral of cos is sin ax by a. This will be x sin ax by 2a. సో మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా కూడా ఇది రీప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా ప్రొసీజర్ ప్రకారం చేస్తారంటే చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో దట్స్ ద థింగ్. ఓకేనా? So write down the problem. Solve d cube plus d square minus d minus 1 into y equal to cos 2x. What are the roots of auxiliary equation? Anyone?
Sir, 1.
What about other roots?
Minus 1 comma minus 1.
Very good. So which is in the form of f of d into y equal to q of x. The solution is y equal to cf plus pi. Finding cf. Consider homogeneous part. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. So m cube plus m square minus m minus 1. Sum of all coefficients will be 0. Therefore, m equal to 1 is a root. You can substitute by synthetic division. You can substitute them. M square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. This is nothing but m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. M equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. So therefore roots of CF are roots of auxiliary equation are m equal to 1 comma minus 1. So therefore CF is okay. Now finding Pi. Pi is what? 1 by f of d into q of x. 1 by dq plus d square minus d minus 1. Q of x in manaku cos 2x. Cos 2x. Put d square equal to minus 4. D cube ante anamma, d cube ante d into d square amma. D into d square. Okay, అందుకనే d cube place లో d into minus 4. D square ante minus 4 minus d minus 1. Okay na? So this is minus 5d minus 5 cos 2x. So denominator లో d ఉంది కాబట్టి రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి, మీకు తెలుసు. minus 5 ని కామన్ చేస్తే d plus 1. d plus 1 రేషనలైజింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇస్ d minus 1. కామన్ చేయకుండా కూడా రేషనలైజ్ చేస్తారంటే చేయొచ్చు మీ ఇష్టం. న్యూమరేటర్ లో d minus 1 అలాగే ఉంది, డినామినేటర్ లో d square minus 1 cos 2x. So again put d square is minus 4. D square is minus 4. Okay. Okay. So 1 by 25, 5 into 5. Okay. D of cos 2x, derivative of cos 2x, minus sin 2x into 2, minus cos 2x. Okay now. So that nothing but Pi we have minus 2 by 25 sin 2x minus 1 by 25 cos 2x. Intana correct na? Any doubts please? అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం రాసుకోండి. సాల్వ్ d square plus 9 into y equal to cos square x. Cos square x. Okay. So finding CF, what are the roots of CF? Anyone?
Plus or minus 3, sir.
Plus or minus? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడు.
3, sir.
ఒకసారి చూడు.
minus 3, sir.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడు. m square is minus 9. m అవుతుంది 3i అవుతుంది. 3i, right? So what is CF? Can you tell? ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 3i అయితే సిఎఫ్ ఏంటి? ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 3i అయితే సిఎఫ్ ఏంటి? ఎనీవన్?
E power 0x into
ఓకేనా? c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Now coming to pi. Cos square x ని ఎలా రాయాలి? Cos square x ఎలా రాయాలి? ఎనీవన్? మనకేం తెలుసు? ఓన్లీ కాస్ ఏఎక్స్ సైన్ ఏఎక్స్ మాత్రమే తెలుసు. అలాంటప్పుడు కాస్ స్క్వేర్ కి ఎలా రాయాలి?
x plus 1/2.
ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1/2 నా? అదేంటమ్మా అది? మనకేం తెలుసు? మెథడ్ 2 నుంచి సైన్ ఏఎక్స్ ఆర్ కాస్ ఏఎక్స్ ఉంటే డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లేస్ లో మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ పెట్టడం తెలుసు. మరి కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? మెథడ్ 2 కాదు అయితే. ఓ మై గాడ్.
minus a square, sir.
Minus a square. What is a? That's what I'm asking. Oh my god. Okay, చూడండి. So you know that cos 2x having formula 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. So using this formula, okay, cos square x ఉంటే ఓకేనా 1 plus cos 2x by 2 రాయాలి. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. అదే sin square x ఉంటే ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్లేస్ లో sin square x ఉంటే 1 minus cos 2x by 2 రాయాలి. using this formula, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. ఓకేనా? అలాగే cos cube x sin cube x ఉంటే cos 3x ఫార్ములా వాడాలి. cos 3x. what is cos 3x?
Cos cube x minus 3 cos x.
yes, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, right? ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు cos cube x ఏమవుతుంది? cos cube x cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4 by 4. అలాగే sin 3x కి ఫార్ములా sin 3x ఉంటే 3 sin
Minus 4 sin cube x.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? sin cube x ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ కాస్ క్యూబ్ ఉంటే అలా, సైన్ క్యూబ్ ఉంటే అలా, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంటే అలా, ఏది ఉంటే దానికి అనుగుణంగా ఫార్ములా వాడాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 plus cos 2x by 2గా రాస్తాను. 1/2ని బయట రాస్తే 1 is there. 1 అంటే e power 0x. ఓకేనా? This is called pi1, this is called pi2. ఇంకొక టర్మ్ ఉంటే pi3 అలా రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? డైరెక్ట్గా కూడా చేయొచ్చు, బట్ పెద్ద ఇస్తారు ఎగ్జామ్లో, మీరు స్ప్లిట్ చేసి రాస్తారని నేను ముందుగానే రాస్తాను. సో వాట్ ఈస్ pi1? pi1 ఏంటో కనుక్కోండి, pi2 ఏంటో కనుక్కోండి. So coming to pi1, so in case of e power ax, put d equal to 0, right? Coming to pi2, cos 2x, right? Cos 2x. So d square place లో -4 పెట్టాలి. So therefore pi is 1/2 into 1/9, 1/2 into 1/5 into cos 2x. This is my pi. Therefore the solution is y equal to cf plus pi. Y equal to cf plus pi. సో మీరు అన్నిటికీ చేయాలమ్మా, దట్ ఈస్ హోంవర్క్. హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ sin square x. ఓకేనా? cos square x చేసాం, sin square x, sin cube x, cos cube x. దట్ ఈస్ హోంవర్క్. sin square x, cos cube x, sin cube x అన్నిటికీ చేసి మీరు పోస్ట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ హోంవర్క్. సో అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. So what are the roots of auxiliary equation?
One comma three, sir.
Yeah, very good. So the CF is C1 e power x plus C2 e power 3x. Now coming to PI. Coming to PI. So PI we have 1 by f of t into q of x, 1 by d square minus 4d plus 3 into sin 3x into cos 2x. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి? Anyone? ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి? Anyone? 2 sin A cos B. What is the formula? 2 sin A cos B.
Sin
Sin
of B, sin of A minus B.
ఓకేనా అంటే 2 sin 3x cos 2x అంటే ఏం రాయాలి sin of 3x plus 2x sin of 3x minus 2x అంటే sin 3x into cos 2x అంటే ఏం రాయాలి 1/2 times of sin 5x plus sin x. Now you can split into pi1 pi2. Okay, pi1 pi2. అదే ఇక్కడ cos into sin ఉందనుకో అప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి cos into sin.
Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B.
Sin of A plus B minus
Of
sin
A
of
minus
A minus B. నోట్ చేసుకోండి నీట్గా బోత్ ఆర్ కాస్ ఉంటే
cos A plus B plus cos A minus B.
ఓకేనా ప్లస్ కాస్ ఏ మైనస్ బి బోత్ సైన్ ఉంటే
Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B.
వెరీ గుడ్ అమ్మా కాస్ ఏ మైనస్ బి ముందు రాయాలండి కాస్ ఏ మైనస్ బి మైనస్ కాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ సో దీనికి కూడా ఆల్ 4కి చేసి పెట్టండి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో హోంవర్క్ cos 3x into sin 2x cos 3x into cos 2x sin 3x into sin 2x. So all 4 చేసి పెట్టండి this is also homework. Okay, this is also homework problem. Any doubts please? Any doubts please? So if there is no doubts then we'll stop now.